Hey guys, welcome to Apple Tech Review. Today I'm going to show you how you can increase your computer speed without doing any tricks or wrong procedures. This one is just very simple, which everyone can do. So the first one, you just have to go to start button here as startup, then you type run, then click on this one, run, then you write %, temp, again %, then click OK. After clicking OK, all this will come, all this. So for you, what you need to do is only to select all, Control A. Then you have to delete all these files because they don't affect your computers. Yeah, they are just catch files. So you just delete all of them. So another thing which you can do, step number two, just go back to startup window button, just then search disk cleanup. So once it comes up, just open disk cleanup. Then here, if you are having many drives, from here you have to select which drive you want. So you can select drive C or A, any. So after, click OK, then it will start cleaning the drive. After calculating, then it will give you all these ones. So you have to select all of them because these are from recycle bin. As you see, like here, my recycle bin, I created this one previously. It's not too much heavy. Yeah, then if you want, you can view the files which you are going to delete from here. Then after, you can clean up direct from here. So once you clean up that one, mine it's not heavy, you can again choose another disk. You also select which you want and you clean it. So before I cleaned up this one, that's why you see I don't have a lot of files here. But if you have a lot of files, it can take you around some time to finish all this process. Yeah. All right guys, so in number 3 we have computer management. So just go to a startup, just write computer management. Once you search computer management, open it. Once you open it, go down here to disk management. After clicking on computer management, just go here, choose the drive which you want to manage. So click on right click, go to properties. Then from here you can do disk cleanup also from here, but we have already done this one in stage number 2. So go to tools. So from here you can first check, but you can just continue and optimize the drives. As you see here, optimizing your computer's drives can help it run efficiently. So click on optimize. So as you see here, I already clicked on optimize. It was here, it's still optimizing. This is also called the defragmentation, but I'm going to show you how you can do defragmentation. So once it completes, you can just close the window as it's after completing. All right, so once you click here, another drive, you can also optimize it. Then you can also choose another one and click optimize. You can first do analysis so that you can understand what you're going to do. So but the better thing is even if you don't analyze, you just go to optimize. You optimize the drive directly from there. So once you finish here, you can close the window. So how do we do fragmentation, defragmentation, and the optimization? So just go to, let's close this one. Just go to startup, also click on search for the fragment. You see the fragment and optimize drives. So open it. So this the fragment and the optimize, it is same way like computer management, but this one takes you directly to optimizing the drives. But stage number 3, computer management, it gives you a lot of options. Once you use stage number 3, it will give you a lot of options, all these options. And the computer management here, it will give you option of, once you right click and go to properties, it will give you option of disk cleanup. You can first clean up your disk, then you go to tools, then you optimize the drives. Yeah, so these are the 4 steps you can do to manage your computer or to make it run efficiently. All right guys, thank you. Catch you in another one. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.